Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and enjoying your good health. Today I am going to teach you phonic sounds of alphabets. A, apple. What is the beginning sound of this word apple? A, apple. What comes after A? B, ball. Ball, ball. What is the beginning sound of the word ball? B, ball. Ball. What comes after B? C, car. Car. What is the sound of this word car? C, car. What comes after C? C after D. Now what is the sound of D? Dog. Dog. What comes after D? E, elephant. 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 What comes after E? E after F. What is the beginning sound of letter F? Fox. 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 Now tell me what comes after F? F after G. God. What is the sound of G? God. 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 What is the beginning sound of this word God? God. God. What comes after G? H. Hat. What is the sound of H? Hat. 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 What comes after H? The next letter is I. Igloo. 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 What comes after I? The letter J. Joker. 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 What is the beginning sound of this word joker? J. This is the sound of J. What comes after J? The letter is K. Kangaroo. 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 What is the beginning sound of this word kangaroo? Kangaroo. What comes after K? The letter L. Line. What is the sound of L? Line. Line. LION. Line. What is the beginning sound of this word line? Line. What comes after L? The letter M. Mouse. Mouse. What is the sound of the letter M? Mouse. 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 What is the beginning sound of this word mouse? Mouse. What comes after M? The letter N. Nest. Nest. What is the sound of N letter? NEST. 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 What is the sound of N? What is the beginning sound of this word nest? And comes after N, O. O, A, owl. O, A, owl. What is the beginning sound of this word owl? O. O, O, A, owl. O, W, L. Owl. What is the ending sound of this word owl? L. Owl. Owl. What comes after O? P. Peepa. Peacock. Peepa. Peacock. What is the beginning sound of this word? Peacock. P. Peepa. Peacock. The sound of P. P. The sound of P. P. Now what comes after P? Q. What comes after P? Q. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. You know, U is the friend of Q. When जब भी कोई वर्ड Q के साथ बनेगा तो उसके साथ U लास्ट में आएगा. ये बात आप लोगों ने अच्छे से याद रखनी है कि Q के साथ जब भी कोई हमने वर्ड बनाना है तो Q की साउंड क्या होगी? ख्वा, और U इसके साथ ज़रूर आएगा. What comes after Q? R. R, rabbit. What is the sound of R? R, rabbit. R, rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit. What comes after R? S. What is the sound of S? S, sun. S, sun. S-U-N, sun. What comes after S? T. T, train. T, train. What is the sound of T? T, train. What is the ending sound of this word train? N. Now what comes after T? U. U are umbrella. U are umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Umbrella. What comes after U? The letter V. The letter V. V, violin. V, violin. V, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Violin. V, violin. What comes after V? V. What is the sound of W? V. V. W, whale. W, whale. V, whale. What comes after W? X. And what is the sound of X? X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Xylophone. What comes after X? Y. And what is the sound of Y? Y. Y, yak. Y, yak. What comes after Y? Z. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपने अच्छे तरीके से इन साउंड्स को याद करना है ताकि वर्ड्स मेकिंग में आपको मसला ना